Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box. This used to only cost $5 a month. Now it costs $6.98, but there's no shipping to pay. And depending on what you filled out in your profile, depends on what you get in the box. So I get the trendsetter box, and this is quarterly, so it only comes 4 times a year. Here is the first item by Real Techniques, and this is a makeup sponge. I like the angle that this one has. That's nice. Then we have some invisible bobble, the traceless hair clip. It says there's no metal, and there's 3. There's a clear one, kind of like a light pink, and then a hot pink. That's pretty cool. Then Burt's Bees facial cleanser for sensitive skin. Could always use facial cleansers, so that's awesome. A sample, I got this last time from Tanologist Face and Body Drops. I mixed this with like my face moisturizer and it worked pretty well. So I have that back. And this is a repeat too. I got this exact same brand and shade last time. These are from Dashing Diva and they are gel manicure strips. Supposed to last 14 days. I use Color Street and I'm like, don't want to try other brands because the ones I have tried I didn't like. But from my nail friend, she said this brand's actually pretty good. So I will not be trying it, but I will be passing those on to her. And then you get a little pamphlet inside. So the sponge was $4.88. Full size of the cleanser would be $8.34. I did not get the Dove exfoliating polish or the liquid IV, but the invisible bobbles are $6. So it looks like it didn't include the nail strips, but I bet if you got one of the other boxes, you got these 2 items instead of the nail strips. So kind of interesting. Still worth the value for only just under $7, but yeah, that's what I got. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, again, 4 times a year, I will put the link to their website below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.